In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your billing information on Squarespace. Whether you're managing a personal website or a business platform, keeping your billing information up to date is crucial for ensuring uninterrupted service. Let's go through the process step by step, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. First, navigate to the Squarespace homepage. If you're already familiar with the platform, you probably know the web address by heart. But if not, simply enter squarespace.com in your browser's address bar. Once you land on the website, you'll see the Login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button to begin. After clicking Login, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials, which are typically your email address and password. If you use a password manager, this process might be even quicker. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. This is the main hub where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're in the dashboard, look for an option labeled Website. Clicking this will take you to a more detailed menu with various configuration settings for your site. Within this menu, the next stop is the Settings option. This section is crucial because it holds all the back-end settings and allows you to manage your site's operations, including billing. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option specifically labeled Billing. Click on Billing, and this will take you to a page where all your current billing details are displayed. Here you can view information about your current payment methods, subscriptions, and more. Now, let's move on to where you can make changes or updates. On the Billing page, spot the Payment Information link and give it a click. This section is particularly important because it holds all the details about your current payment methods. Finally, if you need to add a new payment method or update existing ones, you'll see an option to Add Payment Method. Click on this option. A form will appear, prompting you to enter your new payment details, such as your card number, expiration date, and billing address. Now, once you've entered all the necessary information, make sure to double-check it for accuracy. You definitely don't want any errors here that could lead to future billing issues. After verifying the details, save the changes. This will update your billing information right away. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your billing information on Squarespace. This simple process ensures that your account remains active and can be billed correctly for any services or products. Thanks for watching. And be sure to follow these steps whenever you need to make changes to your billing details.